morning to everyone. Today I, Kiran Kumar Mandal, pursuing my BBA from Lovely Professional University, is going to tell you about the SBI business loan. First, I would like to introduce of SBI. It comes into experience of July 1st, 1955 after the nationalism of Imperial Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India was established in 1921 by Generation the three Presidential Bank of Madras, Bombay and Bengal. On 1st July 1955, the Imperial Bank of India became the State Bank of India. In 2008, the Government of India acquired the Reserve Bank of India stake in SBI as to remove any conflict of interest because of RBI is the country banking regular authority. Now I would like to discuss about the product and the service offered by the SBI. As we all know that SBI is the largest public sector bank in India. It was the first bank established in India as Bank of Kolkata in 1806. Headquarters is in Mumbai. The bank over 25,000 branches, 59,000 plus ATMs and 195 foreign offices across 36 countries after the mergers of its 5 associate bank and Bharatiya Mahil Bank. The product and service offered by SBI like savings account, credit card, fixed deposit, personal loan, home loan, debit card, loans against property, car loan, gold loan. Now I will like to discuss about savings account. SBI offers 5 types of savings account with which account holder can earn up to 4% interest per annum. Now the debit card. SBI offers a wide range of credit card to its customer to provide various benefits in the form of cashback, reward points. What is fixed deposit? Fixed deposit offers a wide arrow of fixed deposit scheme to regulate individual and senior citizens. SBI FD rate vary from 5% to 6.80% for regular individual. Personal loan. SBI offers 4 types of personal loan for tenure ranging of 1 to 5 years. Home loan. SBI provides also home loan for over 30 lakhs of families in India. Now debit card. SBI offers various types of debit cards specially designed to categorize to the need of its customer. Each debit card comes with a lots of benefits. Loans against property. SBI offers 2 types of loans against property, namely mortgage of immobile property and regular rent. Gold loan. SBI offers holders can avail gold loans up to 20,000 to 20 lakh. Now I would like to discuss about the competitors analysis or effective differentiation analysis. In this we can talk about the SWOT analysis, which consists of strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. SWOT analysis is a proven management framework which enables a brand like State Bank of India to benchmark its business and performance as compared to the competitors and industrial. Now I will like to discuss about the strength of SBI. SBI is the biggest bank in India with more than 14,000 branches. Biggest branch network in the country means good reach. It has a good brand visibility and awareness due to the extensive marketing. The weakness of the SBI is competition means limited market share growth for SBI. International presence is less as compared to global bank. Now I would like to tell about opportunities of the State Bank of India. The State Bank of India can make better use of CRM technology and online space. Expansion into rural area to boost its business. With focus on Indian going cashless, the bank can dominate the market with its extensive reach. The threat in the SWOT analysis of SBI of India. Consolidating among private banks can reach market share of SBI. New bank license by RBI can afford operation. Now I would like to discuss about the top 6 SBI competitors like ICICI Bank, Allahabad Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda and the biggest competitor of SBI. Now I will like to tell about the FAB approach. FAB approach means feature, advantage and benefit. Now I will like to tell about the features. Target group. All business units engaged in manufacturing service activity along with self-employed and professional individuals. It accepts the deposit from the people into the form of savings, fixed, current and recurring deposit account. BI gives the facility of drawing, accepting and buying and selling the bill of exchange. Now the advantage, you can prepay part of your loan anytime after paying 1% of charge. You can force close your entire business loan anytime after paying 6 EMIs at force close charge 3% SBI has rated. Now the benefit. Maintain control of your business. Transfer account to any SBI branch without charging the account number. Receive influx of cash to grow your business. Now I will like to strategize to develop customer relationship. SBI carry over various marketing individuals to enhance its reach. The included corporate, government and trade financial customers. Database marketing was expected to draw increased revenue from cross-selling, low cost and increased customer loyalty. The RCM process is a strategy for keeping every customer interaction personal and meaningful that consists of 5 main steps. A customer relationship management system provides the data and functional your team need to execute this strategy and turn lead into customer. In any relationship, it is imperative that a strong foundation of trust is established before moving the relationship forward. In banking, this acquires to providing the necessary information required to be use of service opening before trying to sell another product or service. Now I will like to discuss the conclusion. All business and investment project need capital to operate. Thus, the cost of financial capital to a firm is the return the firm investor receiver from the lending the savings to be used by the firm. In present seniority, SBI is the largest advanced product issue in India. Within a very short period of time, the achievement made by SBI is excellent, which a normal bank cannot execute, but it is being done by SBI. It happened due to employee dedication towards the organization, faster growing Indian economy and brand image. For that, I will like to close my topic. Thank you and have a nice day.